Okay, so I took a picture of our bedroom and then I opened up a project. I kind of measured the distance across and up, and I kind of equated that to inches. When I put something on here, like this item was 2 by 3 feet, that I knew that this whole thing was like over 7 feet. So I was able to use the calculations to figure out, play around with different canvas sizes and which ones would look good. So this is one that is 20 by 24 and then 20 by 24. And then this one is 24 by 36. But that way I could say those are going to fit on the space above my bed. And I would play around with those. Photo, remove photo. I played around with them empty and to come up with a configuration that I would like in the space above the bed. Then I went and like, okay, so I know I need this size for the outside and this side for the middle. Here, real quick, and go to the photo. So what I did to prepare for this is I went around the bedroom and I took pictures of different textures and colors that were in my bedroom as a resource for a background for my canvases so that the colors and tones would match my bedroom. Then I created the backdrop. So let's view all. So each of these little kind of rectangles are filled with different, like this is the fabric of the bed skirt. This is my dresser top. This is one of the vases. This is a bedspread. And so I kind of varied where they went in the backdrop, and then I added a mask to all of them and lowered the opacity. Then I filled the background with the paper and I color matched it to the colors from my room. Then I took a bunch of pictures for us for the last 30 years, applied masks, and I made them all black and white. So it would be kind of a color neutral thing to go on the wall. Then I saved this out as an image and put it into my wall art planning so I can kind of see how they look next to each other, before I committed to it. Then I got to say, like, that would look better if I added some word art, or that would look better if I added more color. So I kind of got an idea of how it's going to look. And then I did file, save as, and I changed the name to write. And then I just did the same thing, but I changed the pictures out. And then when I went to the big one, I copied and pasted, and then I added extra rows. And then I kind of did it more of a circular design. I added some masks in the middle filled with the pink color from the vases that are in there. So just an idea of like that you could take textures and patterns in your home or garden or on your vacation and use that as an element on your page. And also that you can use Artisan to plan out making wall art for your home. Oh, she wanted me to show you on the right one. This right here is filled with the pillow texture. It's this one of these two here. And then I zoomed in on it, and then I reduced the saturation of the color to make it less like strong pink, to make it more muted. And then the phrases I got from little tchotchkes that I got in home goods stores. So the "you are my bucket list" was something that somebody else came up with it and I liked it. And then the "together is our favorite place to be," that was something I bought for our bedroom because I liked that phrase. So I just used that as, inspiration for phrase to put on there. And then this is the other one. So just an idea, how to use the software for things outside of creating books and cards. You can use it for wall art, and that you can use all these textures in here. I was able to incorporate in the wall art.